I'm Tony Staubach, the Food Waste Diversion Coordinator for Hamilton County Resource, and we're gonna make some egg rolls in a bowl. So first, we're gonna break a few eggs. We just need 6. We only have 5 today. We're gonna roll with it. We need 6 eggs. We're gonna make some scrambled eggs first. Some people put water, milk in their eggs when they make scrambled eggs. I usually just do mine as eggs. I'll whisk these up real quick. And then we're gonna dump them on a hot pan. This cook up for a minute. So egg rolls in a bowl. This is from Pasonic Partners. They are a consulting firm that works with school cafeterias. And so this egg roll in a bowl is a great way to reduce food waste. Their pro tip is that, again, you can use leftover scrambled eggs, but you can also substitute a few items. So in my case, I bought a can of cabbage. I didn't buy a bag of coleslaw mix. I just went ahead and cut up my cabbage and threw it in there. Once our eggs are removed from the bowl, we're going to move on to the next step, which is to add our sesame oil, our white onion, and our ginger, and cook until tender. So we have our sesame oil. Pan. We have some white onion. Use the spatula to get this out of here. And we're going to use our ginger. We didn't have fresh ginger, so we substituted, instead of a tablespoon and a half, since we're using ground ginger, we just need 1/4 of a teaspoon. And we're going to cook that up for a minute. You just use the same pan you were cooking your eggs in. It's totally fine. We're going to turn this down a little because it's getting a little hot. Okay, once our onions are tender, which should only take a few seconds, we go ahead and and add our cabbage mix. Okay. Put it straight in there. We're going to dump our hoisin sauce right on top. There we go. Again, I'm going to use our spatula to get all this out of here. Got a little bit of oil left in here. I'm going to go ahead and get that out too. A little extra oil on there never hurt anybody, right? It's pretty good. I like it. Okay. And we'll just mix this up for a few minutes. It won't take very long. It's already smelling good. We just want to get the cabbage nice and soft. There we go. We're ready to put in our egg, which we made a minute ago. And the soy sauce. Takes about 3/4 cup of soy sauce in there. There we go. I'm gonna mix all this up. Oh, that soy sauce smells so good. I love soy sauce. It's salty. I like salty foods. So consequently, there's no need to put salt on this. It's covered in soy sauce. Full of protein and fiber and vitamin C and all the things we need. One of the things I love about cabbage is it's got this, it has this ability to absorb other flavors. And so if you eat raw cabbage, you're like, oh, that's kind of gross. I don't know, I like raw cabbage, but some people don't like it. But when you cook it with other things, it tends to pick up other flavors. So it's gonna pick up the flavors of the soy sauce and the ginger. If you wanted to, you could add a little garlic to this. That'd be fine too. I might like a little garlic in mine. And there we go. Okay. Now it's ready to go. Now I'll take a real bite. Makes all the difference in the world.